Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can sign up on your Grindr application. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you want to simply go ahead and open your Play Store on your Android and App Store on your iOS. So once you have opened that, simply go ahead and search for Grindr, as you can see, and simply go ahead and download it. And then once you have done that, go ahead and open the application. And over here, for you to go ahead and sign up, you'll have to go ahead and enter your email right over here and your password right over here, or you can simply go ahead and enter your phone number and then your password. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up by tapping on the sign up button on the top right first of all. And then it is going to ask you for TOS, and you're going to scroll all the way down and tap on next, and then tap on accept. And finally, once you have done that, you're going to do that one more time. And now it will ask you for your email, password, and then confirm your password and your date of birth. Go ahead and enter all these information. And once you have done that, go ahead and click on create account. And then you'll have to go ahead and verify your account by simply go ahead and open your Gmail account. But before that, you want to simply tap on I'm not a robot. And what this will do is basically give you a survey. So go ahead and select whatever it says for you to go ahead and select. For me, it's traffic lights. So I'm going to go ahead and select traffic lights and tap on verify. And there you go. All you have to do is simply go ahead and enter your phone number and then verify your account. Go ahead and enter your phone number right over here and click on send code, and then a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number. Just wait for it and then tap on verify, and then there you go, your account has been verified. And you can simply add a display name right over here and tap on save, and then your account should be done. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.